Framing. Picking your camera up, hitting record, just pointing at whatever it is you're thinking about filming. It's so easy to do. However, taking the time to put some thought into it can have a huge positive impact on how your video is going to look. The rule of thirds. On your cell phone, you're going to find these lines that divide your phone into 9 sections. The best way I can give you an understanding of how to utilize these 9 boxes, you want to always give your subject looking room. This here would be an example of bad framing. Reason being, I have nowhere to look, and it just looks awkward for you to look at, as opposed to this. I could go on and on and on about framing. Maybe I'll make another video later on down the line.